January 7th, 2019, Shanghai. A cold, empty field. Elon Musk makes a promise, a factory, producing cars by year-end.
168 working days later, the laughter stopped. From dirt to delivery in under 6 months. While rivals were still approving blueprints, Tesla was already sealing the roof. How?
No joint venture committees, permits cleared in 30 days, and installing high-tech equipment before the walls were even painted.
Inside, 95% automation from day one. The robots were operational immediately.
The uncomfortable truth? While Tesla built a Gigafactory in 168 days, traditional automakers spent that exact same time scheduling the kickoff meeting.
168 days is the new benchmark. So, what are you building right now that is taking too long?